Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix if the notepad is missing in Windows 11. So let's start how to do this. First, we have to go to settings and then we have to click on apps and then we have to go to optional features. Then we have to scroll down where the notepad is there and there we have to click on uninstall. Once we do it, then what will happen? It will get uninstalled. Next, what we have to do, we have to again go to apps and then go to optional features and click on view features. And here you write notepad. If you get notepad, put a tick mark against it and click next. And then click on install button and the notepad will start installing. Here you can see it has started installing. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then do share, like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you for watching this video.